Event tracking is crucial to monitoring when users trigger key actions across your site. That might include visiting a specific website page, booking a call, downloading a PDF, logging in, upgrading a subscription, and much more. With GoSquared's event tracking, you can track any and all key actions across your site or platform within the Trends dashboard. In this example, I'm going to track an event for users who click through to my demo coaching call page. In my example Squarespace site, I build out a custom code box and insert code for my redirect URL, call to action box, and the GoSquared event titled Book a Coaching Call. Once the event is live, I can track how many users trigger it within the Events widget of my Trends dashboard. In the second example, I'm tracking users who downloaded meal plans. This time, I set a redirect URL to download the meal plan and name both the call to action button and event title accordingly. Once again, the events are pushed live and the data starts pulling into the Events widget, so I can gauge my most popular downloads over time. Head to the GoSquared Events API to start tracking your first events today.